Want a haircut that actually makes you look sharper, more confident, and, yes, more you? Today, I'll show you how to find the best haircut for boys aged 15 to 20 using science, not trends. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which cuts suit your face shape, hair type, and lifestyle, so you spend less time guessing and more time looking great. First, we'll identify the 3 most important factors: face shape, hair properties, and growth patterns. Then I'll match those to haircut families and show how to communicate the cut to your barber. Stick around for 2 quick styling tips that keep the look consistent. Quick disclaimer. Factor 1. Face shape. Scientists and barbers agree that face proportions guide which styles balance your features. There are 5 practical categories: oval, round, square, heart, and oblong. Most people are close to one of these. Oval. Forehead slightly wider than the chin. Balanced proportions. Oval faces can wear most styles. Think versatility. Round. Width and height are similar. Softer jawline. You want height and angles to add definition. Square, strong jaw, broad forehead, soften with texture on top, avoid blunt, boxy sides. Heart, wider forehead, narrower chin. Add volume around the jaw to balance the lower face. Oblong, rectangular, longer face. Keep sides fuller and avoid excessive top height. And if you're still unsure, take a selfie looking straight at the camera and measure forehead, cheekbones, and jawline widths. The widest area usually determines your category. Factor 2. Hair properties. This includes density, how many hairs per square centimeter, texture, fine, medium, coarse, and curl pattern, straight, wavy, curly. These determine how a cut sits and how much styling effort you'll need. Fine hair, lifeless when flat. Go for textured cuts and short sides to create the illusion of density. Thick hair, holds shape well. Needs weight reduction, thinning, or layering to avoid a helmet look. Straight hair works well with blunt lines and undercuts. Wavy, very versatile. Adds natural volume for textured crops or quiffs. Curly. Choose length to control spring. Fade sides and leave length on top for shape. And if don't know about your hair density yet, pinch a small patch. If you can easily see scalp, density's low. If scalp isn't visible, density's medium to high. Factor 3. Growth patterns. Growth patterns in hairline, especially cowlicks and receding hairlines. Cowlicks determine direction and limit how you style parts. Receding hairlines change which front-heavy styles work. Work with your natural growth rather than against it. For example, if a cowlick pushes hair to the right, incorporate it as a natural sweep instead of fighting it with product. Now combine those 3 factors to pick from proven haircut families. I'll list the best options for each face shape with hair type notes. Oval. The safest bet, buzz cut, quiff, textured crop, undercut, works with almost every hair type. Round. Aim for height and angular lines. Pompadour. Quiff with short sides, faux hawk, avoid full sides that add width. Square. Accentuate the jaw with short textured sides and medium length top. Crew cut, textured crop, add soft layers if you want a modern finish. Heart, balance the narrow chin, longer fringe, side swept bangs, medium length textured top. Avoid extreme short sides unless you keep top volume. Oblong, reduce vertical length, keep sides fuller, avoid too much top height. Layered top, side part, or a fringe work well. For example, a 17-year-old with a round face and wavy medium thickness hair, go for a textured crop with slightly longer top and faded sides. The texture and height add verticality while the fade keeps the profile clean. Now, how to communicate with your barber. How to get the cut you want, 3 quick steps. 1. Bring photos, front and side pictures of someone with a similar face and hair. 2. Give exact clipper numbers for the sides, for example 1 to 2 fade, and a centimeter/inch length for the top. If you want texture, ask for point cutting or scissor over comb. 3. Mention growth quirks, cowlicks, part lines, or cowlick direction. Ask the barber how they'd adapt the cut to those. This reduces confusion and gets you closer to the intended result. Here are a few quick styling and maintenance tips. Product choice: use a lightweight matte paste or salt spray for texture. Daily routine: towel dry hair and apply product while slightly damp for even distribution. For thicker hair, blow dry briefly to shape the top. For maintenance, short styles need trims every 3 to 6 weeks. Medium lengths every 6 to 10 weeks. And remember, the best haircut fits your face, works with your hair's natural behavior, and suits your lifestyle. And at last, I just want to say, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more evidence-informed Looksmaxxing tips.